I have always wanted to have a YouTube channel, to have a page or a platform where I get to show my creative side. I get to teach other people the skills I have learned so far and have fun generally with like minds or other people, get to engage with them. And finally, guys, finally, I have my YouTube channel. I have my YouTube channel. Can I get some applause, please? Yeah, thank you. Anyway, I think that's enough for the excitement. This is my first YouTube video on my channel, my YouTube channel. Yeah, so this will just be an introduction to the channel, to myself. So you get to know me, get to know what this channel will be about, and what you should expect anyway. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, like I said earlier, this is my first video on this channel. So to just be an introduction, I have some questions already created that I feel like would answer the questions you have in mind also. So let's just get into them, right? Let's get into them. My name is Marizu Mary. I am from Imo State. I am based in Lagos. I'm in my 20s. um I'm an undergraduate. I'm a very creative person. I love to learn new skills. um I have quite a number of skills I've learned over time. What else? I'm a very shy person, but also should I say an introvert extrovert? I'm in the middle, right? I'm an introvert who is an extrovert. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't know. But anyway, yes, that's me. For you, I have learned some skills over time, and these skills I've learned are all thanks to YouTube. They helped me develop those skills, helped me know them better, and so these skills inspired my own YouTube channel. Me wanting to teach other people these skills also, and I feel like it's a way of giving back, right, to other people who want to learn these skills. I have learned them, I know them to an extent, so I want to give back to people by teaching them for free. That's what inspired my channel. Expect a lot of creativity on here. Expect a lot of skill acquisition. Is that correct? But anyway, just get ready to learn a lot of skills. I'm talking about crochet work, like what I am wearing. I made myself. Yeah, so if you are interested in things like this, I could also teach you. If you love to make your hair like me, I would also be teaching you that. And also, if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, you could also subscribe to this channel, or you should also subscribe to this channel, because I'll be teaching you some skills I have learned about YouTube growth and tips you need to apply. So those are what you should expect. And fun too. I'm a very fun person to my knowledge. So stay tuned if you want the fun. Subscribe. For now, I am just starting out. Like, this is my first video. So I don't know how often, but I hope to post every week. Yeah, hopefully I post every week. So expect a video every week. And as time goes on, it might come more than once a week. But let's just see how it goes. And it depends on your encouragement also. How much you encourage me would determine how much I'll be posting and be making videos for you. You could engage with me on here on YouTube. There's a comment section on YouTube, so you can comment. I'll be waiting for your comments. You could also interact with me on my other social media platforms. Talking about Instagram. Sorry, talking about Instagram and TikTok. You could interact with me there. I'll be putting a link in the description box, or my name will be displaying on the screen, whichever way. But just interact with me on there, on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll be sharing my handles. You could ask me questions there, throw in your suggestions, what you think I should do, what video you want me to create. I'll be expecting all those engagements. Yes, this is the best part of this video. I'm sorry, but yes, this is the best part of the video. Yeah, I really need your support. I would want you to support me in just 4 ways. Yes, just 4 steps that won't take you much time and won't cost you anything. First, like this video. Please like this video. Once you like my video, YouTube recommends my video to other people, thereby they watch my video and subscribe, and they also like to, you get. So please like this video. Secondly, you should comment on my video. Please, I just want engagement on this video. I want to see you engage on my video, so please engage with me on here. Thirdly, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please and please and please, I am begging. It doesn't take you anything to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. You don't even have to pay for that. I promise you. You don't have to pay to subscribe. So please just subscribe to my channel. Okay. Then fourth, share. Please share on your social media platforms. Share to your family, share on your WhatsApp status, share to your friends, share to your enemies. I know we shouldn't have enemies. So just share to everybody. That's the main thing. Please, please, please just help me share this channel. That's all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those 4 things are the ways you could help me support this channel to keep seeing my beautiful face. Yeah. Okay, so that's all the questions I have. If you have any more questions, you could drop them on the comment section. And please let me know what you think about this first video. Did I do well? Do I need to improve on anything? Just let me know what you think about this first video or the channel generally. Also tell me what you would like my next video to be. What do you think I should create next? A hair video, a crochet work, or a YouTube growth tip, or even a lifestyle vlog. If that's what you want, let me know what my next video should be. And please and please and please don't forget to subscribe and share also. See you in my next one. Bye.